Now you can see that all parts are absolutely parallel, and we have V-shaped arrowheads also. So you can see that it is not going passively, so we need to open it up a little, the last bends that we have made for the lingual aspect. And remember to keep it parallel. We need a passive fit of Adams clasp. We don't need an active Adams clasp. So now both the things are parallel. Now we need to give the retentive tags. For that, hold the beak of the universal plier and rotate it, and then we need to compress it with the help of the ends or the grooves that we have in the universal plier. Similarly for the opposite arm, hold it at the beak